Look! So many carriages and all children in the costumes.
Christmas is coming! Mathilde, look at the Christmas trees in those windows. How bright they are!
And there are probably back trees hanging on the trees. Candies in the gold wrapping. Everyone is having fun, if only we could.
So, let's have some fun. We can sing and dance.
Indeed, let's dance! Who is this?
Mom and Dad are probably back. We're not sleeping, so we're about to get hit.
Why would Mom and Dad knock on the oven door?
Right. Who is this? Come in, the door is open.
Hello, Auntie Berlin.
Good evening.
Hello, children. I apologize for the late visit. Tell me, do you have the blue bird?
What bluebird?
I don't need your bird. It's not blue, and it's not Save My Little Sick Granddaughter.
Is your granddaughter sick? What's wrong?
No idea. She wants to be happy, and the blue bird brings happiness. We fairies know that.
Are you a fairy?
Yes, I am the fairy Berlin. I come to you because only children and only on Christmas night can find the blue bird. Usually, people see what can sing with their eyes, but you will see what is hidden from the adults' eyes, souls of people, things, animals and animals. All of you will go to find the blue bird.
You don't really look like a fairy.
Do I look like a fairy now, Tiltil?
You bet.
Indeed.
Put on this cap, Tiltil. Turn to diamond in any direction and everything around you will change.
What?
We are happiest moments of your life. You see how cheerful we are.
Tilo,
The dog.
Here I am! I'm so glad that I can say how much I love you, my little master!
Tilo, you can talk. How amazing.
His
Majesty fire.
well, move aside. If not, I'll burn you. I'm fire. You better not play with me. I'm very dangerous.
Father Red.
Do you recognize me, friends? I'm man's very first friend, the most important.
Element water. Not true. I'm also very important to
people. Oh, I almost spilled. After all, people can't live without water.
They can't live without food.
Don't quarrel. You are all important to people.
What about you?
Don't recognize me. I always cheer everyone up. Would you like some lollipop or a piece of sugar?
This is Mrs. Sugar.
Of course.
We will catch you later.
I love you so much. I adore you so much. Murr, murr.
Your holidays milk.
Children can't live without me. I'm so healthy. Just keep me away from the heat. If not, I must turn sour. But I will be helpful for the children along the way.
Yes, all of you will be helpful, and all of you will go with their children to find the bluebird.
Can you go with us?
I can't leave my little granddaughter. Another guide will go with you. Who is this?
I'm the light, friends in the glow of my rays transform the world in a people's gaze. Leave comments, they all will see our world in a precedent beauty. I will go you after the bluebirds. I will show you the way.
And I will go with you.
And we will go with you.
But remember, when you find the bluebird, all of you will return to your normal life. Till Antilette will regain human speech. Fire will return to the fireplace. Water to the jar. Milk to the bucket. Bread to the table. Sugar to the shelf.
Here's a silver rope to teach. Take it.
Maybe we'll find the bluebird in the land of memories. But don't forget, you must be back exactly at 10.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you so much.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
This is a land of memories.
Who lives in this country?
People we remember, even if they're not with us anymore.
So we will meet grandmother. I always remember her.
Yes, and grandfather, we will meet them both.
Grandmother, grandfather, me too. Are they dear grandchildren?
Let me take a better look at you. How you both have grown.
How beautiful you are, my dear. How is it going? What about mom and dad?
We're doing well, but you haven't changed at all.
Oh, you my darlings, remember, it's more often. We don't need much, just thanks of sometimes, and we are glad.
Grandmother, grandfather, do you remember, grandmother, how you taught me to dance?
I remember, granddaughter, of course I remember. We can dance now.
Grandmother, grandfather.
A quarter to 10. We must be back at 10 sharp. We have to hurry.
Grandmother, grandfather, tell me, do you have a bluebird?
Bluebird? No, in this country. There are only there's a bluebird here.
You just think about us and we already have a holiday. Be happy.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. to catch my breath.
What? Go into a fight with some cats on the roof and barely escape them?
No, madam, I didn't fight with anyone. I just ran to give you some information.
Well, what can you tell me?
Tiltil and Matilda are children who live together in the woodcutter's house. A fairy balloon gives them a magic cap with a magic diamond. Find the blue bird. So may I ask you, if you have a blue bird, can you hide in the darkest place?
Let them try to find black night in the black kingdom. And you, if you want, hide.
I can't leave children while they have a magic cap with a magic diamond.
As you wish, and I disappear.
Lady Night, where are you?
Lady Night.
Lady Night.
Good afternoon, Lady Night. It's never been a good afternoon for me. You should have said good night or good evening in a pinch.
Sorry, I had no idea.
Well, at your age, sometimes you don't have to think. I know why you came. You're looking for the bluebird, but you came here in vain. She didn't appear in my domain.
I have to explore all the nooks. Please give me the keys to all the locks.
Yes, take it please. Just keep in mind, behind these doors are fears, horrors, disasters, wars, disasters, ghosts and anxieties. They're just waiting for someone to open the door. But you can stop them. You are the owner of the keys and you are responsible.
I must turn sour now.
Why did you come here?
We need the bluebird.
Ha ha ha! Beware! Tremble! We are your nightmares! You can't escape from us!
Titi, I caught them! Quickly close the door before they break out again!
How they're sick, pitiful that they are. Are there really terrible diseases?
Terrible diseases hide in the very depths of the room, and these are sicknesses and weaknesses.
That's it. I don't want to get sick.
It's a runny nose.
The smallest, but incredibly pleasant disease.
Well, you jumped out early.
Wait until spring.
Maybe I'll stay. Will one of you, huh? I'm so sad waiting until spring.
I told you, until spring.
Well, too bad. I would sneeze.
Now let's look behind this door. Look carefully. Evil strife bloody wars are there, as well as fights, scandals, many sorts of troubles.
My joys are collected here. not like that. Where is she?
Oh, where is Bluebird?
I got it. It was not a bluebird. It was a night dream. They disappear in daylight.
Don't be upset, Till. We still have time. Keep looking for her. Now I will lead to the garden of joy.
Who lives in this garden?
Pleasure, delight, and joy live here.
Let's go to the garden of joy.
I'm the luxury of drinking and eating.
I'm the luxury of having fun.
Let me introduce myself. The luxury of satisfied vanity.
The luxury of sleeping. I'm the luxury of showing off.
I'm the biggest luxury. Luxury of being rich and famous.
Luxury of carefree pastime.
Some of their faces.
Let's move on.
Okay, let's move.
Oh, who is this? They're so cute. The joy of running barefoot.
The joy of swimming and sunbathing.
The joy of sleigh rider.
Where is the joy of catching bluebird?
In my opinion, there's not so much choice here.
Ask someone about the bluebird. Do you have bluebird living here?
No.
She looks like our mother.
She's so elegant, beautiful. I never seen my mother so beautiful. You did not notice. Children hardly ever notice the laugh of their mothers, and every smile of yours, every kind word of yours, every kiss makes your mother beautiful and rich in love.
Do you know if we can find the bluebird here?
If the bluebird of happiness were here, I really want you to be happy, but she's not here.
She wasn't in the land of memories. The bird we got to be not really. What should we do? Where should we look for her?
I can't help you now. The Christmas night, it's ending.
Let's go. Why are you looking at me? Like what? Children? Mommy, you're so beautiful.
That's true. Come on. No, really, Mom. You seem strange today.
Mommy, we learned so much, so much.
But we never found the bluebird.
Which bluebird?
The bluebird which Fairy Berlin asked us to find.
Fairy? Fairies live only in fairy tales.
Maybe they do, but sometimes we come to visit us.
Not for a visit, but to get the bluebird for her sick granddaughter.
Yes, today you have enough for Christmas dreams. Come in, the door is open.
Dear Fairy Berlin, forgive us, we didn't find her, but we looked for her everywhere. In the domains of night, in the garden of joy, in the land of memories.
How is your granddaughter now? Will she really die?
Good children. She felt really bad. She asked me for some kinds of the bluebird. She says the bluebird brings happiness. Maybe you will give me your bluebird for a while, for my granddaughter.
But she's not blue at all.
No, Titi! It's blue, look!
Blue.
Really, bluebird!
Thank you, Tuti. Thank you, Miti.
Did you give Auntie your favorite blue dove? Yes, Mother, because her senior daughter needs it. She will certainly be healthy now.
You have become quite wise, too.
And Matilda, she helped me all the time. I didn't cry at all. She also grew up.
Both of you have become big and smart.
We are not afraid of anything.
We were such children.
Come in, the door is open.
My dear, a miracle happened to us.
Thank you, Titi. Thank you so much. It was such a bluebird. So blue. It was a real bluebird. But I miss it. Excuse me.
Don't cry. I will help you find your bluebird. It definitely helps. After all, each of us has a bluebird, but sometimes we don't see her.
What do you mean?
The bluebird is happiness itself that is next to us. These are our family and beloved people, our home and our friends.